In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Google Slides. We're going to connect Google Sheets to Google Slides using Zapier, so a presentation can be created automatically whenever your sheet updates. This is perfect for status reports, proposals, or any slide deck that follows a repeatable format. Start by heading to zapier.com. Once you're in, create a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow made of a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the automation, and the action is what happens next. For the trigger, choose Google Sheets. In the app search, type Google Sheets and select it. Now pick a trigger event that matches your use case, like when a new row is added or an existing row is updated. If you're unsure, think about the moment you want your slides to be created. Usually that's when a row is finalized. Sign into your Google account so Zapier can access your spreadsheet, review the permissions, and make sure you're using the right workspace. Click Continue to move ahead. Now choose your spreadsheet, the specific worksheet, and the trigger column. The trigger column is the one Zapier watches for changes, often a status column like ready or a timestamp. Make sure your sheet has a clear header row and at least one realistic sample row so Zapier can pull example data during testing. Click Test Trigger. Zapier will fetch a recent row and show you the data it found. This confirms your setup is connected and ready. Next, define the action, search for and select Google Slides. Pick an action event that suits your workflow, such as creating a new presentation from a template. This is what will build your deck automatically. Sign into your Google Slides account so Zapier can create files on your behalf, then click Continue. Now configure the action details, add the title for the new presentation. A great tip is to include dynamic fields from your sheet, like a project name or date, so each file is unique and easy to search. Set the Is Shared option to true or false depending on whether you want the new deck to be shareable by link or kept private. Then select your template presentation, the slide deck you've prepared with your preferred design and structure. When everything looks right, click Test Action. Zapier will create a sample presentation based on your selections and the test row from your sheet. Open the link provided to confirm the title, content mapping, and sharing settings look good. And that's it. You've set up an automated flow from Google Sheets to Google Slides, saving time and ensuring consistent, professional presentations every time.